At Safe House Property Inspections, we are always looking to add value for our clients. And that is why our clients get a special offer for a discounted alarm system when we do your full home inspection. Our clients are not obligated to get an alarm system for their new home, but we want to ensure that if you will be in the market for one, that you get a special offer that you cannot get by calling these companies direct or going online. We are part of a program that will give our clients special offers if you are looking to protect your family and the new home that we inspect. This is just another reason to choose Safe House Property Inspections for all of your inspection needs. So call us today at 757-418-0944 to book your home inspection.